Hey guys, welcome to another edition of our Lightworks version 14 tutorial series presented by WBAM Student Television. Today we will be showing you how to use green screen. Green screen or chroma key is where you remove a solid background color or replace background color and replace it with an image, any image or background you wish. When you use this effect, you can show your subject as if it were any in the world, underwater or even outer space, just like this.
Hi guys, today we're going to teach you how to do a green screen effect. First, you click right on V1. Next, you go in tracks and hit add video. Then, you click on your video and put it to V1. Then, you put your background on V2.
Now you click on VFX. While you're in VFX, there's a little plus sign in the top left corner. Then there's a little arrow pointing down, and you find the thing that says key. Then you double click on chroma key, and then
You click on the grabber tool and make sure it's next to your face. And as you can see, there's all these blurry things around me, and you have to make sure that they're all away so your green screen looks real. You're just gonna play with, you're gonna press reveal, and it'll give you a little easier look at this. And as you see, it's gone. Get off reveal, and it's perfect. And thank you for tuning into this tutorial on green screen effect. Make sure to tune in next time on another effect on Lightworks. Thank you, and I'm Mr. Watt's favorite student.